The expansion and progress of affiliate marketing in the global business remain notable. It already gained a huge part in the marketing world and is continually increasing its popularity. It is commonly sought after for a possible source of passive income, but with the number of companies and people choosing it as an effective way to earn, it has become a full-blown online business which has helped more and more people to earn worldwide. The commission-based business models already existed long ago. You influence the buyer to purchase your partner's products, and in turn you earn commissions. With the rise of internet, this long-existing business model is now called affiliate marketing. People are even becoming more and more curious about affiliate marketing, that its search interest in Google rose by 30% from September 2016 to September 2017. And it is predicted that US spend on affiliate marketing is expected to rise to $6.8 billion. People are seeing how this business has grown over the years and quickly realizing its big potential to make money. This business works and has changed a lot of lives, just like the life of John Crestani, who is now an internationally renowned expert in affiliate marketing. He created the Super Affiliate System, which was previously known as Internet Jetset System. It is a complete affiliate marketing course for everyone. Everything that you need to know on how to start and how to earn through affiliate marketing are provided by this training course. In fact, it has created a lot of successful students, including 5-7-figure marketers. If you are like John, who is dissatisfied with his life before being in the corporate world, trying to escape the 9-to-5 rat race, and just wanting to have your own way and live your life the way you want to, Super Affiliate System can help you, just like affiliate marketing changed his life that he's now.